been raining out here. It stopped right now. But can you hear that sound? Well, that is a parrot. uh, They have over in Pinos Farms. And he's imitating our dog's barking, particularly Apollo. Might have just came home. We had Froyland, the guy that built our uh, waterfall, because the waterfall pump is burned out, and he's been real busy. He's got a lot of projects going on around here, and he's going to take it back with him and see if the technician can fix it. If not, we'll have to buy a new pump for the waterfalls. And our yard man's over there. He's cleaning out some of the birds of paradise plants, and to where the ones left will be the lobster claws. But evidently some bird of paradise seeds got in there, so we're clearing those out. But that parrot sure talking a lot. It takes a lot to maintain this large of a yard. It's 1,000 square meters. Can you hear that now? I thought it was some worker over there scraping or something, but no, it's a little parrot they've got over there. There's several species of parrots that are native here in the Philippines. There's about her wanting to come up, but she's wet. As they were playing out in the rain. But it'll be good to have my waterfall working again. See, it's cloudy skies. I don't think I've seen the sun today. We've had good rain this morning, and then one just a little while ago, about an hour or so ago. Real happy to have our yard man. He's a good hard worker. It's just a nice, cool day out here. Quiet day too. When the parrot is not talking. I was worried about chickens and the piggeries, pigs being here. Fortunately, I don't have any around here. But we got parrots. I haven't heard anything about people complaining about parrots. Too many parrots. That's all you need is one. My dog's been teaching the wrong things to say. This is why I love living here. They're been working on my wall here. These black bars, I guess you call them. They were rusting out. So I've had a team over here working yesterday and today, replacing them, and uh, they paint them with a rust resistant paint. We've been here a little over 5 years now. I hope I won't have to replace these anytime soon. Rust is a real big problem here. Anything made of metal. Uh, and termites are a problem here. I haven't seen any evidence that we got termites, so, and I don't have a whole lot of wood, just the cabinets in the kitchen, and a few trims and stuff, but I've seen no evidence so far. So if you're going to build a house, be sure that everything is treated with anti-rust or anti-termites. But that's something you have to watch out for in the Philippines. And I'm going to have to go and try to get them to clean these uh, what do you call it? The concrete part of my wall because it's got stained. That one looks like burned some trash out there. Uh, well, okay. Looks like the parrot has calmed down. Maybe they're feeding it. Uh, so y'all take care. Have a great day. I hope it's nice and cool where you live. Like here, wind's picking up a little bit. I'm gonna have to get somebody to come and get those coconuts. I'm not climbing that coconut tree to do it. I'm beyond climbing trees now. Used to climb a lot of them when I was a kid, but not now. So take care of your family, take care of your kids, take care of your pets, and we'll see you again soon. Adios, amigos and amigas. Later.